Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to change out the cabin air filter. It's real easy, okay? It's easy peasy. Don't be giving money to the Jiffy Lubes or the Valvolines or those places. You could do this yourself in like 2 minutes. So, open your glove box. There's a little arm right there. Push it out like that. Right? You got this little tab in there. You're going to push this in, right? This one here, same thing. Push it in. Drops. Just like that. And right here, you got this little cover. And there's a tab on each side. See that tab right there? Push it in. And push this one in. On this side. The cover comes right off. Easy peasy. Son of a nutcracker. I dropped my phone. I can't believe I did that. Anyway. Boom. Alright. We're back. It's off. There it is. You got your new one here. Look at that. Airflow down. Right? Down arrow. Just like that. Pull your old one out. Boom, throw it in the garbage. Throw it in the garbage. This one goes right in there. Boom, got it. Says up, right there. Just put it on. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Camera's a little all over the place. It's good, locked in. And the reverse to put it on, hang those there. Trying to hold the phone, push your tabs in. Come on now. Right, good. Tabs are in. This little doohickey down here, pull it down, put it back on, and you're good to go. Right, like that. There it is. Boom. Oh, wait. All right, we're good. There you go. There you have it. Getting back to the World Cup. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, all that good nonsense. Peace out.